Who has more money? Someone making $60,000 a year or somebody making $120,000 a year? When you add compound interest to the mix, you'll see there's a big difference. Now, for context, the Tykr community has returned about 15% per year over the last 5 years, compared to the S&P 500, which has been about 10% per year. So Tykr is actually beating the S&P 500, as well as Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway and most hedge funds around the world. Now, I do have to say this, returns are not guaranteed, but get this, over 80% of the Tykr community are beginner investors. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to say the person making $60,000 a year is using Tykr and they're getting 15% per year. And the person making $120,000 a year, they're investing in their 401k or the S&P 500 or some mutual fund. So they're getting 10% per year. So the question is, who's going to end up with more money over the next 10, 20, and 30 years? Well, check this out. Looking at my screen, if we go out 10 years, we can see the person making $60,000 a year will have about $202,000, and we can see here the person making $120,000 a year will have about $300,000. So almost $100,000 more with the person with a higher salary. Now let's go out 20 years. Check this out. Both will actually have a portfolio of about $1 million. So the person with the lower salary is now catching up. Now let's go out 30 years. You can see here the person with the lower salary, half the salary, they have a portfolio of now 4.2 million. And the person who's making $120,000 a year has a portfolio of 3 million. So the person with half the salary has 1.2 million more. This is a good reminder that we should not be chasing the dollar. We should not be chasing a higher salary or trying to make more money. Sure, that's nice. What you should be doing is investing more. In fact, you should try to invest as much as you can every month because it's compound interest that builds true wealth. Stop working harder for money and get your money to work harder for you. Now, if you're interested and want to generate some bigger returns and build your wealth faster, you can join Tykr for free. And as I said earlier, returns are not guaranteed. Thanks for checking out this video. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Referrals from friends are one of the best ways to build a business. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.